What's up, guys? I'm Dickie.
And I'm Ryan.
You forgot your name?
Forgot who I was for a second.
Good. We started a cooking show.
And by cooking show, you mean we're attempting cooking.
So the fun thing about me making a cooking show is, see this oven back here? Yesterday it was on fire. I'm not good at cooking. Normally what we're going to be doing is we're going to use a cookbook called the Well We Tried Cookbook. But we wanted to do a little introduction about what we are doing and who we actually are. So we're going to cheat this time around.
And because you're coming into it knowing that there is no skill, no plan, no nothing, there are also no expectations.
I feel like there should be high expectations.
I feel like the stakes have never been higher. And by higher, I mean the stakes have never been lower. Low
By
stakes.
I mean, we're not actually going to make steak, are we?
No, stakes are really hard to cook.
Ryan, get the box. This is not actually a sponsorship or anything. I'm just really bad at cooking, so I have these sent to me.
Can we turn this into a dress or something after? Because I want a shirt made out of this material.
What would you do with this?
I would wear it everywhere. Is this just fish in a bag? It is. Regal Springs Tilapia. Regal. That shit's royal as fuck. You never made pulled pork?
No, Ryan.
No, that's how we're doing a cooking show. Contents. What is it you can? Oh, we're making that. Chipotle spice tilapia tacos with kiwi, pico de gallo, and chipotle crema.
Please sound more excited. We're not doing that.
A kiwi. Oh, the kiwi's fuzzy. It's cute.
Kiwis are always fuzzy.
I don't think I've ever held a kiwi before. Aw, we're supporting tilapia too. Okay. Cream cheese, sour cream.
So much cream.
So much.
Oh, so much cream.
So. If I was a cutting board,
this might be a process.
where would I live? Where do you put your cutting? You freaks! Where do you put your cutting boards?
You found
I
it.
found it.
We're just gonna leave everything open. Were you raised in a barn?
Do you have a colander? A colander?
Sarah, do we have a colander? You know, in
they're
Japanese culture,
scallions.
to make people feel better, you stick them up people's butts. I don't actually know if that's true. I know you're supposed to like wrap it around their heads or something.
In gay culture, you stick other things up people's butts to make them feel better.
Don't forget to get all the soap on there. Because that's how you wash things. Kill germs.
It's like IKEA. As long as it looks like the picture when you're done, who cares how you get there? You've never had a green tomato?
No, Ryan. Tomatoes are red. That's like...
That's not true,
This
Dickie.
is so green. Why is this one yellow?
Because they're not all red. They're heirloom tomatoes.
This is what my poop looks like.
That's not, now we have to eat that.
How does one peel a kiwi?
I don't know, but I know how to pea soup. It's a joke about something about pea soup. What's the first half of it? I don't know. There's a blade there.
Oh!
There we go, first casualty.
The kiwi's kind of smushed, it's fine though.
Dickie, oh my.
I did a thing.
Well, Dickie's washing his hands. I'm gonna quickly cut everything else so it's done. These radishes actually look really good.
Are they rad?
They're kind of rad. They're radish. Do you have a little like shot glass we can put the zest in?
A shot glass?
Do you have one that isn't like tall like that?
What's wrong with tall?
I just want it to be,
What's wrong with tall?
tall people are a blight on society.
Ryan, I have a test. What bowl do you want?
The black bowl.
No, don't bring it close. Just hold it.
Look at how
You were
pretty.
doing the opposite of what I said to do. No, now you ruined it. Now you ruined the experience because I'm gonna have to show that. I'm gonna have to show that looking silly. Oh, there's white things. Oh, it's sticky.
Throw the wedge away.
That didn't go in.
It's on the rim.
I learned it the first time I had sex.
God, we're cooking fish on the first go at this, and it's food poisoning waiting to happen. There we go. Mine's nice and neat and tidy over here. There's just cornstarch all over the table on your side of the party.
I don't like to be restrained.
No, no, don't do that. I want to be on pico de gallo duty or cooking duty.
I set things on fire yesterday.
I should be on cooking duty.
I wish we had a fire extinguisher.
I think we'll be okay.
You know, I said that yesterday.
Well,
Okay, everything's in the bowl. Don't look over here.
I'm avoiding looking over. Oh my.
Why are you invading mine?
Sorry, I have to go look at the fish.
He is lying. He wants to make sure I'm doing things right.
I don't trust him a bit. You almost set the apartment on fire, broiling vegetables. And they were water-based vegetables. That's the worst part.
Mine.
Oh no, I needed that plate with that paper towel to put the fish on.
Well, I thought you left it for me.
No, why would I ever do anything nice for you?
Oh, did you want this plate back?
No, I can use it. I got a different
Oh,
one.
can I borrow your plate?
It smells good.
It smells fishy.
Well, I would hope so.
It's so weird. It came out like beef, and I'm really
It smells
confused.
like beef, and we were making fish tacos. I'm very, very concerned. Dickie, I think we did it. I need a moment, because I actually think we didn't fuck it up. Cheers.
Well, we did it. Episode 1. What's the title?
Something's fishy. Nah, it's not. No, don't do that.
It's amazing the first episode's the one that went well.
Right, no trips to the hospital, nothing caught on fire. The food is edible. Go team.